Program is all about teeth. This is Hannah, and Hannah is a pup that belongs to a good friend of ours here in the clinic. We're going to use her to illustrate that the things that we do for as far as grading teeth. Grading teeth is a good indicator of need for dental work. We use a grading scale of 0 to 4. 0 is a newborn, a young puppy or young cat, and 4 is a mouth that has serious periodontal disease. If we can zoom in here, I want to show that these teeth we have graded as a grade 2 to 3. She's got some staining, especially on this canine out here. We have some tartar buildup here. Carnasal has a little bit of tartar buildup in here. I don't see any severe gingivitis, but this dog does need a dental. She's starting to not like that. She may have some tenderness there. I want to also illustrate the difference in the similarities of what we do for basic dental care in people and in animals. On the left here, we have just the basics that a lot of people use in their own homes. We've got mouthwash, we have toothpaste, we have a toothbrush, and we have dental floss. And those are the basics. I'm no expert on the human side of it for sure, but I wanted to correlate that with what we actually do on the dog. The dog, if we switch over to that, you can see we have a lot of products that we use with the dog. They're a little bit different, be dogs and cats, but they're a little bit different than what we expect with humans. They have, it looks similar to a mouthwash, but we have different water additives that we do add to the water. They have an enzyme in there that helps to break tartar down, to break down the tartar that's on the teeth. Oral rinses. This is one of my favorites because it's something that's applied daily for 1 month and then once a week for maintenance. It again is an enzymatic digestive process that helps to break the tartar down. Plaque and plaque prevention. This is actually a product that goes on the tooth itself to help seal the tooth and help to prevent plaque deposits being placed on the teeth. The toothbrush for dogs is, I wanted to compare this with the toothbrush for humans. You notice that it is very long. It has a couple different angles on it and different sizes of the brush. Because of the lengths of dogs' mouths and the types of different types of teeth that they have in their mouth, it requires these angles. It requires the ability to reach to the back molars, and depending on the size of the dog, it has a different size toothpaste for the different breeds. Their toothpaste, though, is totally different than ours. The veterinary products are basically designed not only to benefit using the brushes, but they're designed to break down tartar with again an enzymatic process that's similar to both these other two products. This helps to get the tartar off, and it also helps to keep the tartar down after a professional cleaning. When we're using a grading scale of 0 to 4, these dogs that have grade 3s and grade 4s, they need professional cleaning before you even go into dental management, dental prevention. But it's going to be a key factor of getting those teeth clean and then maintaining them thereafter. I want to caution people too is we do not use human toothpaste in dogs and cats because they will swallow it and will make them vomit. It won't make them seriously ill, but it will cause enough of stomach irritation where they will vomit the human toothpaste. So we need to stick with a veterinary design product. The professional cleaning, though, comes into play when you have these higher scales or higher degrees of dental disease. It's very important to get the tartar off the teeth, get the teeth repaired. There's a number of products that we use to repair teeth and try to get the gums to heal back down onto the roots. And then we also have to do extractions. But once the mouth is cleared and cleaned up and in good shape, these prevention products really, really do well in trying to keep them maintained. Not only do we have products that are very similar in human use, a lot of the instruments that we use for dental work are the exact same thing they use in humans. Below, we have some of our hand instruments that we do with cleaning, extraction, testing the pockets around teeth, and elevators that we also use in order to remove deciduous teeth, which are the baby teeth. As far as the scaling and the polishing and the cleaning and everything else that goes along with that, We have a very simple piece of equipment that we use in veterinary medicine. We have a scaler, which is the primarily ultrasonic scaler that helps to break down the tartar and allow us to chip it off. Then we have also our drills that we can use in order to, whether we have to cut teeth in half for extractions or to smooth areas out on teeth, we have the abilities to do that. Water and air is used to clean out different parts of the mouth so that we can examine them and continue our work. And then we have a high-speed polisher that also polishes the surfaces and protects the surface of the teeth.